Welcome back to our channel where we break down all the juicy details about your favorite stocks. Today, we're diving deep into Old Republic International Corporation, and we have some exciting numbers to share with you. Alright, buckle up because we're about to embark on a roller coaster ride through ORI's financial metrics. First up, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio or P/E ratio. Now, ORI's PRTTM stands at 13.95. Which might not sound too shabby, but wait till you hear this: the average over the last 5 years has been a sweet 9.48. That's some consistency right there, but now can indicate some overvaluation out there. Looking ahead, the PRFWD is even more enticing at 10.03, suggesting excellent future growth prospects. And if you're into growth potential, check out the price/earnings to growth or PG ratio, clocking in at 1.39. Looks like ORI's got some serious growth prospects. Remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued to his growth prospects. But hey, it's not all about growth, right? We want to know how efficiently ORI is using its shareholders' funds and company assets. Well, with return on equity at 9.52% and return on assets at 2.94%, they're definitely making their money work for them. Although it is true that these numbers could be somewhat better to compete with the industry average. Now, let's talk about earnings. ORI's EPS is a solid 2.10, with an exciting forecast of 10% growth over the next 5 years. And can we just take a moment to appreciate the evolution of their earnings per share over the last decade? It's been a wild ride, with a compound annual growth rate of 13.52%. Talk about consistency paying off. But hold on to your hats, folks, because we're not done yet. While free cash flow per share has seen a flatter evolution, growing at a compound annual rate of 2.02% and very irregular evolution. Now let's talk about dividends. Dividends have been keeping shareholders happy with a yield of 3.42% and a 3.13% growth rate over the last 10 years. Despite this irregular evolution due to some special payments in the last years, the company keeps growing its regular payment over the last 32 years. That makes Old Republic International a dividend aristocrats. Additionally, this consistency in the dividend increases can maintain in the near future with a free cash flow payout ratio at around 30%. Now, let's take a peek at the company's financial health. With a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.25 and consistent operating and profit margins of 11.27% and 8.25% respectively, ORI is looking pretty solid. But here's where things get interesting. While ORI has seen positive revenue and earnings growth over the last 8 years, there's been a slight dip in the last 2. But fear not, investors, because this slight hiccup hasn't stopped ORI from delivering a total return on par with VO over the last 5 years. With an average price return of 13.48% over the last 52 weeks and a respectable market cap of $8.00 billion, Old Republic International continues to captivate investors with its growth prospects and market presence. Finally, there's a twist in the tale. Analysts are predicting a price surge in the next 12 months, with an average target of $31, which represents a 6.13% upside from the current price of $29.22. But I say, hold on to your horses. My fair valuation puts ORI at $36.10, suggesting a potential undervaluation and a good deal for investors. And there you have it, friends. Old Republic International, the exciting financial journey of a lifetime. So buckle up, hold on tight, and let's ride the waves of investment enthusiasm together. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and activate the bell so you don't miss any more content. Until next time, happy investing.